In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to import video files in Canva. As you can see here, I have a template, I have a blank page here. This is where I'm going to be adding the video, okay? Now, once you have your page, go over to upload, which is going to be on the left toolbar. So click on upload, and usually it's going to be on images. You can switch over to video and you can hit upload files. It'll also show you the videos that you already have uploaded here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit upload and just go ahead and navigate to where my videos are saved. Okay, and I want to try to grab one of these. Let's grab this video here. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Okay, I will grab this video here of someone running on the beach. Go ahead and hit open, and you can see the video is going to be uploading here. It'll take a while depending on how big the file is. This is a fairly short video, so it shouldn't take that long to upload to Canva. As you can see, it's taking its time here, and while it's doing this, you are going to be able to navigate through here, and you also do have the ability to record yourself here if that's something that you want to do instead of uploading a video. Now you can also go over to videos down here, right? And you can find sample videos that you can use, right, for your projects. You don't always have to upload videos. Let's go back to our upload. Looks like this is done. Okay, so now once we have our video here, to add this video to our page here, I'm gonna go ahead and just click on the video. This is going to be added on the page. As you can see, this is not going to fill out the entire page. You can do this by cropping the video. So let's go ahead and put it on this corner, and I'm going to drag that. There we go, until it fits the entire clip here. Now, what I could do here is I can go on the bottom here. You can actually go ahead and change the size of this if you want to scale up and down, right? If you want it to be a little bigger so you can see more, this is where you are going to be able to do it. So you can see here, or you can go ahead and go to the next one where you can look at a grid view. If you have multiple videos, that would definitely help you. You can also go full screen to preview the entire video, which is really cool. Go ahead and exit out of that. Okay. Now that is pretty much it for this video. I want to show you guys how to upload videos into Canva. Pretty simple process here. The videos are always going to be saved under videos here. That's going to be underneath the upload button here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.